Devtron.
I'm working as DevOps engineer at Devtron INC. Also, I'm an open source enthusiast and open source contributor on different GitHub projects as well. So this is me, a Kubernetes head with traveling soul. So how long does it take for you to build entire Kubernetes CI/CD workflow on your organization? Maybe a week, or maybe 2 or 3 days. Maybe in a single day you can build it, or maybe in a couple of hours, right? But what if I say you can build the entire CI/CD workflow in just 3 minutes? Sounds interesting, right? Let me just show you how you can achieve this in just 3 minutes. Since we don't have much time, so I have just made a small video of, I guess, 2.25 minutes. So what we are doing in this video is we are creating an application from scratch. And this is one of the microservices, so we are creating it from scratch, and we would be building the entire CI/CD workflow. We would be building the images. So this is the GitHub URL of your source code. Then we'll build the entire image using build packs, which is one of the most integrated things that we have in our Devtron. Then we will just tweak some values. Maybe we will expose the service to ingress using the deployment template. And then we will create the entire workflow in the CI/CD pipelines in Workflow Editor. And it will automatically create the image for you using the build packs internally. And then to the entire the workflow is day one GitOps enabled, since we are leveraging the Argo CD for the GitOps thing. And yes, the best practices for creating your CI/CD workflow. So as you can see, we have added the host. Now simply we'll create a workflow, CI/CD workflow. Provide the branch name, that's it you need for creating your image, and it will automatically create your image from the build packs that we have integrated here. Then you can create the CD pipeline, and you can deploy it to your namespace in just 3 minutes. So yeah, select the environment that you want to deploy, the way you want to execute the pipeline, manual or automatic. So automatic, once the image has been created, it will automatically deploy to that particular environment. You can create the config maps, secrets, everything here in this ecosystem itself, and the more and more integrations and flexibility is there, since we can't show everything in 3 minutes, right? So we have the minimal basic configurations here. Let me just quickly fast forward. So yeah, image is being created, and once the image is being created, you will land into this editor space wherein you can check out all your applications which is deploying, and all your workloads that are being deployed with this particular with this particular application microservice that you have deployed. So sounds interesting, right? If you have any more doubts, like how it can be achieved, or you want to see how it can be done, so please feel free to visit our Devtron booth, and you can connect with me or anyone in the team. So we'd be happy enough to help you. Also, Devtron is entirely open source, so you can just go ahead and check out our website or GitHub repository. And if you like the repository, do give it a star. That will help us build more and more features upcoming. So that's it. I think we are done with the time. Thank you.